Welcome! In front of me I have RoHS Smartwatch and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen to open the menu, then scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on settings, and here scroll down, find the display option, and once you find it, select it. As you can see here we have the brightness option, tap on it, and now we can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. And once you adjust the brightness to your liking, tap on the OK button to confirm, and then you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change or adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.